Hello everyone, welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? This video is on Shopsy app and all the Flipkart products you can order through this Shopsy app to earn commission on every product you order on Flipkart or Shopsy app, and 100 rupees cashback would be given on your first order from Shopsy app. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and watch this video to know more about Shopsy app and how I ordered all the products or my first order that I placed on Shopsy app. Here you see when you open, you have the products in all categories. Not only the products that are available on Flipkart, but you have more items or products or different products you have in Shopsy app. Now the sale is live as Diwali sale is on. You have products at lesser prices, at bigger discounts. We see men, women, and electronics products. You have decor items, furniture, home appliances. See, I have added all the products in Flipkart, and here the bill is 632 rupees. In Flipkart, you all know Flipkart cart would be their grocery cart and quick cart. Now you have to select whether you want to earn commission or add your margin. The arrows typifies your as your choice to click on it. For instance, 205 is the product price. You can add margin to it, but I have not chosen that because it would be from seller's end. As a buyer, I want to earn commission for the product I have bought. 632 rupees is the bill or the order value. After choosing that option, you can place order on Shopsy app. I have ordered 263 rupees of joggers fit women blue jeans, 263 rupees, and 129 rupees is pending. Once the order is delivered, you should not return the product, neither cancel the product. Otherwise, the commission and the cashback would be cancelled on your first order. You have time bomb deals. You've got every hour deals in different categories. Electronic or electric cooker, you have 699 rupees. I've selected this joggers pant and Flipkart, and I've added to a cart and Flipkart app. And later I went to Shopsy app and I've purchased there by placing the first order. This is distressed jeans, 263 rupees. I've got it for the actual price is more than that. It says 999. Have got straps. It said that it is distressed jeans, but I would say it's a torn one also. And 14 days return policy is there. If something is wrong with the product or defective, or you have got wrong item, you can go for returning the product. There's no replacement. You've got elastic as the waistband, and here you see the distressed jeans, and some parts of the pant are torn. You have sizes of all the 28 to 34 size chart is given. This is mid-rise, blue in color. You have one more color that is sky blue. And this joggers and denim jeans is very comfortable with sophisticated look and enhance your beauty and personality. This denim jogger is especially for youth and teenagers. It's made from 100% cotton fabric, and you can pair it with your jeans, shirt, or t-shirt. I have playlists here of different products that I have done unboxing. You can go to my channel, click on that, watch more, and give your valuable feedback. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. Keep smiling.